Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, we're here today for our virtual tour, and this property is exclusive for clients who would like to have both a residential property and a business location as well. This Sophia model in Shangri-La 1 is a property near sa mga central business district of Butuan because this is just 1 minute away from Gaisano, 2 minutes away from SM, and 5 minutes away from Robinsons. So kung ikaw, ang client nga nagtanaw karon gusto og property nga puy-an o gimuon og business location at the same time, this property is fit for you. Tanaw na to sa sulod para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. Let's go! So pag sulod nato na makita ninyo nga naa na siya gate, naka-cement na ang iyahang front, and then most of our clients here nga na mga balay diri gina-convert nila ni to become an office or kana mga RTW nga mga locations. Tapos at the same time, pwede niyo siya himuon og parking area. Pwede niyo siya two-car carport. If mga gagmay mga sakyanan, pwede pa siya tulo, pwede ang mga motor o uban pa. It's up to you, basta kay dako kaayo siya. It comes with a water tank, and ana po siya water pressure here. So, this is a solution for clients nga gusto jud og walay water interruption, especially here in Butuan sa city, sa syudad yun mismo. So, napay space here where you can convert this to a stock area or whatever your plan is in your mind. So, going inside, the house is naatay sa sala area, of course, which is wide kaayo kay ang mga properties diri sa VCDU is known to have a very huge flooring area. By the way, this property is seated in a 128 square meters lot area. Here is a unique space kay not all of Sophia house models kay naka simento na diri ang side, and at the same time na mga tiles and whatnot. So ang buok area gid sa lot area, guys, is ilahag yung gi-maximize. That's why mas dako na siya. Kumbaga madog din ang echo no kay close gid siya na develop sa taas abos all of the sides. So diri ang ato ang ma-consider as our kitchen area. You can use this as your dirty kitchen. Kay naapoy kitchen dito sa sulod nga for your cooking and whatnot, pwede diri for your extension. So going here sa ato ang living area and the indoor kitchen area. And tanaw na to sa taas, ang tulo ka bedroom and 3 toilet and bath. For a huge property like this one, hinot kayo kay tulo ka buok ang rooms, tulo pod ka buok ang iyahang CR. So na CR sa baba na ay 1 common toilet and bath here sa second floor for everyone nga mag-occupy sa 3 ka buok ka rooms. And then for our first bedroom here, pwede diri for your kids or for your guests or for your staff, just in case you'll turn this as your business location. So for our second bedroom naman is actually gibungkag siya para mahimo siya og one huge master bedroom. But if in your case gusto mo tulo ka buok ang bedroom, pwede na i-close again as to have an exclusivity for the ones who will be occupying here. And then, here is your exactly the master bedroom location based on the original design. And this is the only property or the only room nga naa siya exclusive nga toilet and bath. So, lastly, dili siya ma-open, guys, but this is the exact access to your balcony. So, ang master bedroom lang ang ay only access to balcony. So, once again, this is a Sophia house model of VCDU Shangri-La 1 subdivision near to all central business district of Butuan City. If you're interested, if you're a business owner looking for both residential and business location, just contact. Once again, I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of Big Realty Philippines. Bye!